Many popular streaming apps are being blocked on Fire Sticks right now. If you are struggling with movie and TV show apps that no longer work, you are in the right place. Today, I am showing you the absolute best codes for the Unlinked app that still work in 2026. Welcome back to TechVibes. Let us get your device back to full power in just a few minutes. The first thing you need to do is get the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store. Go to the search bar and type in Downloader. It is the bright orange application. Once it is installed, do not open it yet. You need to enable a secret menu first. Open your settings and go to the My Fire TV folder. If you do not see developer options, click on About and highlight your Fire Stick. Click the middle button on your remote several times very fast until it says you are a developer. Now enter the developer options and turn on ADB debugging. Go to Install Unknown Apps and turn on the switch for Downloader. This allows you to install apps from the internet that are not in the official store. Before we go any further, I always recommend connecting to a solid VPN. This encrypts your traffic so no one can track your activity. It is the best way to stay safe and bypass any restrictions your internet provider might have. Now open the Downloader app and type in unlinked.link in the search bar. Scroll down and click on the download button for the Android version. Once the file finishes downloading, click Install. After it is finished, click Done instead of Open. This gives you the option to delete the installation file. Deleting these files is important because Fire Sticks have very little storage space. Now go back to your developer options and make sure you turn on the permission for Unlinked as well. Open the Unlinked app and click on Add a new library. This is where you enter the codes to access private app stores. The first code you should enter is FIRETVGURU. This library is packed with movie apps, live TV tools, and media players that are tested for 2026. If a stream is slow and you are using 2.4 GHz, try switching to a 5 GHz connection for better results. The second code you need is everything. Just type it in and hit next. This is another massive store where you can find web browsers, live sports apps, and more movie libraries. Finally, the third code is FireStick. This store is just as good as the first two and offers even more alternative applications. Simply pick an app you like and click the download button to install it. These codes are the best way to keep your Fire Stick loaded with working content this year. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe to TechVibes for more tech secrets. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.